Hello, Gibbon. The College and Career Readiness team is extremely excited to be rolling out the Employability Skills Rubric. So this is what it means for you. The first thing is you should have a rubric that looks just like this in front of you. Please take a moment to write your name right here next to where it says student name. And then please write the name of your advisory or your study hall teacher right here where it says advisory teacher and study hall teacher. You will receive this rubric 3 times throughout each school year. The purpose of it is because we want you to be prepared for the workforce. We want you to know where your strengths and areas for improvement on your employability skills are. So what you're going to do today, and this should only take a couple of minutes, is you're going to rate yourself. So right here where it says social conduct, please read the different areas for a score for a 3, a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1. Right here where it says your rating, you're going to put your own rating. If you want to put any comments, you can put comments down here. We are in the beginning comments. This is the first time that we are rating ourselves this year. Next, you're going to go down to work completion and do the same. Working with adults, do the same. Student career development, do the same. And working with students, and do the same. Very important, right here where it says beginning teacher, I would like for you to write down the name of the teacher that you have first period. Your advisory teacher is going to give this rubric to your first period teacher, and then your first period teacher is going to fill it out and give you a teacher rating. You will have the opportunity to communicate with your advisory teacher about the ratings and possibly your teacher about the ratings. But our goal is that in these areas, social conduct, work completion, working with adults, student career development, and working with students, that you're able to see where you fall on our employability skills rubric. Very quickly, before I'm done with this short video, I want you to please make sure that you have your name next to student name, that you have your advisory teacher's name or your study hall teacher's name there, and then at the end of this document where it says beginning teacher, please write your first period teacher's name on it. Answer it to the best of your ability and have fun.